Hi guys, this video is all you need to know about pulse oximeter.
What is pulse oximeter? It is simple and compact medical device which involves harmless procedure and quickly monitors the person's oxygen saturation level, that is the percentage of hemoglobin saturated with the oxygen, specifically in the arterial blood. What does pulse oximeter measure? It measures the person's oxygen saturation along with the pulse rate. SpO2 is the peripheral oxygen saturation of the arterial blood detected by pulse using pulse oximeter. SaO2 is the oxygen saturation of arterial blood detected by arterial blood gas analysis, which involves the collection of blood sample. Oximeter can be used to see how much oxygen you need and when you may need it.
How to use pulse oximeter? All you need is to place the oximeter to your index finger and press on-off button and wait for 6 to 12 seconds for it to measure the current oxygen saturation and heart rate. Do not shake the finger during the process to avoid false reading, and later the results are displayed on the screen and is noted.
What is the normal range? Oxygen saturation is considered normal if it is in the range of 95 to 100%, which changes according to the disease conditions. Pulse rate ranges from 72 to 100 beats per minute, and oxygen saturation less than 90% is considered hypoxemia and need supplemental oxygen.
These are the advantages of pulse oximeter.
Where and to whom pulse oximeters are used? Pulse oximeters are seen in emergency areas and is used in conditions that affect blood oxygen levels like asthma, COPD and pneumonia. How accurate is the pulse oximeter? Pulse oximeter is quite accurate in measuring oxygen saturation. It gives a reading of 2% over or 2% under what your saturation would be by an arterial blood gas method. The reasons for fluctuating readings may be due to interference from the external light, nail paint or nail extensions, poor circulation, cold hands, and patient movement like shivering.
How does pulse oximeter work? The beams of red light and infrared light pass through the blood in your finger. Oxygenated blood absorbs infrared light and allows red light to pass through. Deoxygenated blood absorbs red light and allows infrared light to pass through. The amount of light that is not absorbed is detected by the photosensor and later read to calculate the percentage of blood carrying oxygen.
Why it is necessary to know the oxygen saturation level? Every system and organs in our body needs oxygen to survive. Without oxygen, cell gets damaged and later die. Having low blood oxygen levels can also put a strain to your heart and brain. Oxygen saturation helps in indicating how much oxygen is getting to the organs. The percentage of oxygen in the hemoglobin proteins is called the oxygen saturation, and pulse oximeter measures the oxygen saturation. Usually, the body transports the oxygen to the organs by filtering it through the lungs. The oxygen from the lungs is distributed into the blood via hemoglobin proteins in the RBC. The oxygen in the RBC binds with the hemoglobin molecules, and later these protein molecules release the oxygen into the tissue cells. How does a pulse oximeter help in fighting COVID-19? Patient may feel comfortable and may not realize that they have developed hypoxia known as silent hypoxia. Patient's health may become critical waiting for the tests to be done or developing symptoms like shortness of breath, fever and cough. So regular monitoring of oxygen levels by pulse oximeter help the person know the dropping levels and consult the medical professionals for supplementing the oxygen.